Alright, y'all, so welcome to the weekend. What's up, everybody? This is your girl Ab with another VOOG with my family. Avery is getting gas right now, or he just went into the store. I don't know if he's getting gas per se, but I'm finna turn this air off because it's kind of cold. But yes, welcome to the weekend. Me and Avery about to go out. It's Friday night.
Yeah.
This is the first time in a while we done been out. I don't know when the last time we've been out. It's probably since paint night. I don't remember that was. I don't remember when that was. But we ain't got no kids. It's Labor Day weekend, baby. Ooh, we're gonna turn up. Well, I don't know about him because he gotta work, but I'm gonna try to turn up a little bit. I'm gonna try, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, I don't know where we're going exactly, but I know we're going out. I guess we're going to a couple bars. So yeah. Enjoy the POV. Oh shit.
Killer, nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Skid all dirt on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gonna cross the nigga I'm rockin' with? I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being a day.
Hey, look, baby said we outside tonight. We outside.
Straightening, yeah, straightening, yeah. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. You just can't sit back, be patient. Niggas act like the game went vacant. Niggas act like something been taken. Ain't nothing but a little bit straightening. Been kicking shit popping out daily. On the island, it's a movie I'm making. I'm counting the Nero's a while, but the Nero, he telling the Nacho amazing. That shit on, nigga get shit on. I bought 2 whips and I put my bitch on. She put that shit on. She factory said it, but put your milk on. Turn a pandemic into a pandemic, you know that's the shit that we on. Yes, sir. Them niggas gon' pull up and L this shit is together, won't fuck with you home. I don't do the fake kicking. There go a rocket, is taking it. It's a problem with you, then we straightening it. Swap out the cap, put a demon in it.
Cause we've been going over and over again. Girl, I just wanna.
Good afternoon. What a night. It was a good night. I'm sleepy. I got up kind of early thinking I was gonna be able to go get this oil change for a good price, but I didn't have an appointment, so they turned me away. I guess they were full for the day, but the coupon expires on the 8th, so I was like, I know I'm not gonna make it back on the 8th, so, or before then, so I'm trying to knock everything out now. Okay. I just got word my homegirl gonna come pick me up a little later. We're gonna do some lunch. Hopefully, I'm praying the food is good, because you know sometimes you can't trust our Tex-Mex restaurants. We're gonna go to Hula Hut. I don't think I've ever been there before, but we finna see what it's like. We finna see what's up. But yeah, all morning I've just been running errands. I spent fucking a damn near an hour at damn what's that shit, Jiffy Lube. It's just sitting there. I got my inspection, but I was just sitting there, and like, I don't know, some people probably still sitting in that damn line. I was like, I can't do it. I can't sit here for another moment. I gotta go. So I went to like 3 places to try to get an oil change. Third place, I looked up, so, and they had a coupon. So yeah, that's all I got for that. I'm not putting gas in the car. I'm gonna let Avery do that. I've done everything that I'm gonna do for this car this month. Okay. Then they want to print out a list of all the things that need to happen. That shit was like, everything was damn like $3,500. I'm like, fuck. We'll do one thing at a time. One assignment at a time. Okay, baby steps. Headed back to the house now. I'm finna change clothes because it's fucking hot outside, and I got on all black. My ass got on all black because it was a little cloudy, and I just wasn't sure. I didn't want to be wet if it started raining. Yep, that's all I got. Ain't got no more. I'm finna yeah, like I said, take it to the house. Take it to the house. My God, this fucking smoke alarm is about to have me lose my shit. Anyway, let me get some light. I'm at home now. I have made it back. This is the outfit that I got on. Let me show you. It's real casual. What is it? Oh, it's a shirt. That's my shirt from last night. My shorts. Anyway, don't pay attention to that. Pay attention to the stylings of your girl. I really want to probably change my pants, but I don't know. I might not, cause I don't really. It's looking kind of dark outside. There's the man. Yeah, I picked them up. I gotta get my clothes out the floor now. Yeah, it was a wonderful night.
Glad you had fun.
Yes, I had a good time. Did you?
Yeah, I'm chilling.
Yeah. Y'all know y'all be having like secret plex in the club, and I'll be so oblivious.
That's good.
I don't know what y'all got going on. I'm just here.
You just chill. Don't worry. It's on extra because nigga, try it. Nigga, I'm with my girl. I'm gonna burn your ass. Nigga, we gonna make it. I'm gonna take it there quicker than I usually would. Real quick. Yeah, my daddy woke me up.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
What time? What? I hope y'all can hear me because the people up the street cutting grass. But let me show y'all the shit. Let me just show y'all. It's this whole. I'm not gonna take it out because Avery put it back on there. But this whole piece, this piece came off. We don't know when it happened, how it happened, what time. We don't know nothing. I just walked outside this morning and so much shit hanging off. But the good thing is, I think it's fixable. It's not a complete loss. The car is totaled anyway. Hey, fuck it. It's only really body. All right, guys. So we made it to where we at? Hula Hut.
Finally.
5 hours later. No, you like that, don't you?
You're like, I'm choking, don't you?
What's that off of?
Wu-Tang.
Me for these stairs. Yeah.
It may not mean nothing to y'all. Understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine. Shutting shit down in the mall. It's Sunday, girl, she the one for me, and I ain't even planning the call. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine, ever mine. Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off local, but thanks to all the haters, I know G4 pilots on a first name basis. In your city, faded off the ground. Nino, she insists she got more class. We know, swimming in the money, come and find me. Nemo, if I was at the club, you know I balled. Chemo, dropped a mixtape, that shit sounded like an album. Who'da thought a countrywide tour would be the outcome? Labels want my name beside an X like Malcolm. Everybody got a deal, I did it without one. Yeah, nigga, I'm about my business. Killing all these rappers, you would swear I had a hit list. Everyone who doubted me is asking for forgiveness. If you ain't been a part of it, at least you got to witness. Bitches, ain't I mean nothing to y'all.
Go, Jacob, run! Get away!
It may not mean nothing to y'all. Understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine. Shutting shit down in the mall. It's Sunday, girl, she the one for me, and I ain't even planning the call. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine, ever mine. Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off local, but thanks to all the haters, I know G4 pilots on a first name basis. In your city, faded off the ground. Nino, she insists she got more class. We know, swimming in the money, come and find me. Nemo, if I was at the club, you know I balled. Chemo, dropped a mixtape, that shit sounded like an album. Who'da thought a countrywide tour would be the outcome? Labels want my name beside an X like Malcolm. Everybody got a deal, I did it without one. Yeah, nigga, I'm about my business. Killing all these rappers, you would swear I had a hit list.
Okay. Good morning. So it's Sunday morning. I'm making Avery some breakfast. Well, making both of us some breakfast. The baking is done. I'm gonna make the eggs now. Yeah, last night was so much fun. I love hanging out with my friends. That's my very good friends. They're not even my friends. They really my sisters. Like, really my sisters. So, but yeah, let's get this day started. Okay, I had to come out here to say this part because the music is going in there. Let's go see if Avery likes his food. Usually he's done in like 5 seconds. So let's go see. Woo, child. It's what time? I mean, what day is it? It's Monday. It's Labor Day. I'm not doing shit. I'm going to the store. I needed to get some things for Tasaya's birthday because her birthday is coming up. Yesterday, I didn't do nothing. I didn't do anything yesterday. I literally stayed in the house the entire day, watched TV on my phone, just editing videos. Like, I literally did nothing yesterday, like no activities. We were supposed to do that thrift thing, that thrift store, go to the thrift store, but it wasn't that day. I think they do it every first Sunday or every last Sunday or something like that. So we wasn't able to make that. So I just sat in the house. I cooked. Y'all, I made beef tips and rice. That shit was so good. And y'all know I don't be really in the kitchen like that besides for breakfast. But I did that shit. I ain't gonna lie. The meat was tender. It was good. I'm gonna have to do that again since I know how to make it now. But anyway, yeah, I'm going up to Walmart and then I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and then I'm gonna go pick up the girls, meet my sister. But I was kind of thinking of just maybe getting Genesis and Gigi and going out to my mom's house. But then I was thinking, I don't know if I feel like making that drive. But Thursday, September 8th. Fuck, I forgot about that. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to the store. Holla.
She brings all the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you. She brings all the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right.
The gang's in the house. Gang, gang.
better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. You want me to taste it? Techniques that breaks these bars. It can't be on, just the beats get on. Watch if you're smart.
Up there,
Mm-hmm.
and we got school tomorrow, so no more weekend.
Hey, no more weekend. Walk it out, walk it out, walk it out, walk it out. Hey, hey, hey. Enjoy that.
Difficult.